Hey y'all, it's Self-Care Sunday. So today I'm going to be doing my hair. This is the perm that I'm using, the Mazzani Relaxer. It's not a box perm, it's a more professional perm. So that's really the only reason that I'm kind of feeling a little okay about doing this. But I mean, if it was up to me, I would just stay natural. But I'm getting clip-ins and tape-ins and all these different ways to wear my hair now, so that it's just not so much work on me, not so much heat that I'm constantly putting on my hair every single time I go to touch it. And then also our meal oil, I've showed you guys this a million times. I love this oil. It's only $10, but it works amazingly. Like, I might have to start showing you guys the progression that I've made with my hair just from using this alone. This meal, I would definitely recommend this #1 product to you girls and guys out there. You want to grow your hair. This Olaplex was a new oil that I got. I'm going to continue to purchase this because it's so bomb. It's really lightweight and it smells amazing. It's one of the best smelling like oils I've had, and it's also a heat protectant, so that's a big plus if you curl your hair a lot. Okay, so I showed you guys everything, so I'm going to go in and perm my hair, wash it, condition it, use my leave-in conditioner, and then we'll be moving on, of course, to waxing. I have waxing videos though, so anyone that wants to see like some in-depth videos of how to wax, what products I use, and just my techniques that I use with waxing, go check out some of those videos. Hey y'all, so I was saying I was going to show you guys my tape-ins once I had them installed. Make sure you go check out the video. It should be up by now by the time you guys see this vlog of how I installed them. But I love how they look. Super cute. I've been really wanting to do like an updo as well, so I'm excited to just like switch it up and see what different styles I can do with this hairstyle. I really like how it turned out though. They still give you that full volume, so I do have 3 bundles installed. I have a light brown bundle at the bottom, and then I have 2 off blacks towards the middle and the top of my hair. I see why they're so trendy and so popular right now, because they are just bomb. But I do want to install them again just to play around with them and see what other ways I can install them. But really like how it turned out, and I just wanted to show you guys really quickly the end result of our hair. I'm using Cerapeal wax today. This was a wax that I used when I was in esthetician school that I really liked. I'm excited about this wax. We're going to use this today. This is a really good professional wax. You guys also know I love mermaid wax, but I'll probably be using this from now on. I don't know. I do need to try it and see again, but it's just way more convenient for me to get. I can go in the store and grab it right away instead of ordering online. We'll be trying this, and I have everything else here that I'm going to be using. Cleaner that you want to put on before you wax, powder, and also wax oil remover. You do want to let your wax heat up for about 30 minutes on low, just to be careful so that you don't burn it. I love searching and finding new black-owned food spots in LA. It's some really good food spots out here. You just have to find them. And so this is one I wanted to share with you guys. They're called Sky's Gourmet Tacos. It's black-owned in LA, and the food is so bomb. They season their tacos really good. They have a lot of flavor. They have their own sauce. It's called sassy sauce. So bomb. I got 2 shrimp tacos. You guys already know, pescatarian. We not eating no chicken, no beef, nothing over here, okay? These tacos literally had like everything on it. Pico, hella cheese, lettuce, like everything, and their sauce, their in-house sauce. at-home seafood hibachi with shrimp and teriyaki fish. I'm using white rice. I have my vegetables here, zucchini, onions, garlic, and then all of the seasonings that I'm going to be using. The first thing we're going to start with is the vegetables. I have some soy sauce. You know it's not complete without a little soy sauce for hibachi. So I'm going to go in and cut up all of my vegetables and season them. I got some onion, garlic. I also have some mushrooms. And I'm just going to put all of the seasonings that I like on them. A little blackened seasoning. I love using blackened seasoning now. Like I use it literally on everything. Onion powder, garlic, lemon, and really just whatever you want to use, whatever flavors you like, you can add to your vegetables. But I do like eating the vegetables when I go to Benihana or any type of hibachi spot. So I definitely wanted to make sure that they were seasoned really good so that I can eat them and they aren't just there for decoration. Add a little soy sauce to it also. And this doesn't need a long time to cook, you know, maybe a few minutes on medium to medium low. Also added some sesame seeds in there, a little bit more lemon, and that's about it on the vegetables. Once I'm done with the vegetables, I'm moving on to the seasonings and everything that I want on the shrimp. So we're adding some garlic in here, sesame seeds, ginger, more onion and garlic powder, soy sauce. You want a good amount of soy sauce on your shrimp to give it that hibachi taste. Add a little Sweet Baby Ray's because I just love barbecue sauce also. Not too much, but just enough to give it like a hint of that taste. Some honey, and we're gonna mix all of this together and put all of our shrimp in here. I like to get raw shrimp, but I'm gonna put all of this in the bowl, mix it up really well so that it's coated both sides before I put it in the pan. While I'm letting that sit for a second, I went in and made the yum yum sauce. You can look up different recipes to make this. There's a lot of different ways you can put it up and let that sit in the refrigerator. And I also made my fish, seasoned it really well, and then I drenched all of the fish with the teriyaki sauce. I'm gonna let that bake while I'm cooking everything else. While that's baking, I'm adding the shrimp to the pan, gonna let that cook. It doesn't take long for your shrimp. You don't want them overdone. Add a little lemon to your shrimp, and now we're gonna move on to the rice. I'm gonna cook the garlic first, add a little butter. Now usually I would add peas and carrots to the rice, but I just used what I had at home. So we added our rice, some butter, some soy sauce, the garlic we have in here, a little green onion. Cooked our egg in the same pan. I do like to move all of the rice around. Cook the egg in the middle and then mix that together. You don't need to let that cook for too long. Your rice is really already done. You're just mixing everything and kind of warming it up, putting it together. And here is our completed seafood hibachi at home. It was really easy and quick to make. We have our vegetables, we have our rice, the teriyaki fish, and also our hibachi shrimp with some yum yum sauce on the side. I also have some teriyaki sauce on the side. It was really good. You guys should try it at home. If you do, let me know. But I love how it came out. If you guys like this vlog, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you want more vlogs from me, let me know. Follow me on Instagram at Tay Franklin. Thank you guys so much for watching as always, and I will see you in my next video. you